Everybody's enjoying the ride. Is this your first time here? We have some crazy travel buddies here. How does it feel? If you... Everybody has to experience this. We were here and then we traveled to Kleine Scheidegg and then Kleine Scheidegg. Now we're here in Eiger Glacier, so we're gonna be going up to the top of Europe. We're not in Disney World, but we are at the top of Europe. So it has earned the title, the top of Europe, because it is the highest railway station in Europe.
Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning here in Interlaken.
Yes, look at the sunrise behind us. It's really nice. I don't know how many degrees right now.
I think it's in the 50s.
Lower 50s. But anyways, we arrived in Interlaken yesterday from Zurich Airport at noontime. And so today, this is our first full day here in Interlaken. So yesterday, we just walked around Interlaken and the nearby Unterseen. So you just click the link above for our video in Interlaken. And so today, we're so excited because we are going to the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch. So I like the location of our hotel because it's just a few feet from the train station, Interlaken West. There are two trains here. We have Interlaken West and Interlaken Oost or East. Most of the hotels are here in Interlaken West train station. From Interlaken West to the top of Europe or Jungfraujoch, the total round-trip fare is 214 Swiss francs, but they have a promotion right now. We get a 50% discount, so per person is only 107 Swiss francs. It sounds expensive, but it's really a big discount already. If I utilize my Swiss travel pass, it's only 25% discount. So I chose their promotion than the Swiss pass. But we really advise you to get a Swiss pass if you want to travel around Switzerland, because once you have the Swiss travel pass, you can hop off any trains, buses, or boats around Switzerland. But going to the top of Europe, the Swiss pass is only free to Lauterbrunnen or Grindelwald. From Grindelwald or Wingen to the top of Europe, the Swiss pass only gives you 25% discount.
Next stop, Interlaken East.
So,
Terminus. All passengers are kindly requested to leave the train. Thank you and goodbye.
so we have 4 stops from Interlaken West to the top of Europe. So from here west, we're gonna go to Interlaken Oost, and then we're gonna transfer to another train to Lauterbrunnen. And Lauterbrunnen, we change to another train to Kleine Scheidegg, and Kleine Scheidegg to another train to Eiger Glacier. I think that's how it's pronounced. And then we end at Jungfraujoch. Getting off here to take the train to Lauterbrunnen. So we're gonna head to track 2A. All right, shorter breath. So you have to be quick because sometimes the walk takes longer. Faster, guys.
Faster.
It is so efficient here. You can just dally. Yeah. It's still towards the end of winter, so it's still at the ski season here in March. Okay, so the train just arrived. We're getting in the train now from Lauterbrunnen to Wingen. That's only like less than 15 minutes. So the train just stopped at Wingen and now it's going to Kleine Scheidegg. are going higher and higher. So we're gonna go to track 21 to get to Eiger Glacier. We're on our way to Eiger Glacier station. So this is the Eiger Glacier station. We're gonna go to track 3 to board on the train, the last leg of the train to Jungfraujoch. So we were here and then we traveled to Kleine Scheidegg and then Kleine Scheidegg. Now we're here in Eiger Glacier, so we're gonna be going up to the top of Europe. So boarding the train to the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch. So we'll be inside this tunnel pretty much all the way to the end. I'm definitely feeling the altitude, so I just drank water.
Next stop, Eismeer, 5 minutes stop for people.
Yeah, this train is gonna stop at a lookout point. I think it's just a window. So the train will stop in a few minutes from now. They will allow us to get off the train to view through a viewing window. I think it's a glacier up close for 5 minutes only. Can you imagine we're inside this big rock, this Eiger, a mountain. Let's see if we can squeeze in. We're gonna hop back on the train. This is the end of the line. This is the Jungfraujoch. So it has earned the title the top of Europe because it is the highest railway station in Europe. I definitely feel the altitude. A little short of breath, a little woozy. I have to drink water first. I'll get you back up later. So there are shops here. Oh wow, this is so amazing. I think that's the Valais Glacier. It's freezing cold up here. This is the Sphinx Observatory. It's so amazing, the genius of the Swiss engineering and infrastructure. These mountains that's only accessible to avid mountain climbers is made accessible to people like us, tourists and sightseers. We're not in Disney World, but we are at the top of Europe. So as we continue with the tour, we're gonna go outside to step on the snow. Oh wow! These two are amazing, but the Swiss engineering, so amazing. The snow is blinding, so you need to wear a good pair of sunglasses. If you want to hike, you can go farther over there. So they hold games here like basketball. They have concerts too here in summer. So still have the glacier and the snow, even golf. All right, that's the famous sun of Switzerland. And the tour continues to the Ice Palace.
ice palace.
Wow, it's real ice. Look. The whole thing is real ice. You have to be careful when you walk. So the walls are all ice. Which way to go? Here? Or there? So these are ice sculptures. How does it feel? If you... Is that real ice? So next up, the Lender Chocolate Heaven. Lindt Chocolate Heaven. So there's a lot to see here, not just the viewing platform. There's also a Bollywood restaurant. I would love to taste the Indian cuisine too. So we're heading back down and we'll take the train to Eiger and then from there we'll take the gondola down to Grindelwald. This is gonna be a different route now. We're taking the gondola Eiger Express to Grindelwald. Oh my goodness!
Yay!
This is really new. Just the 4 of us. This is a private gondola for us. So everybody's enjoying the ride. I think is this your first time here? Crazy. We have some crazy travel buddies here. Everybody has to experience this in the gondola ride. This is really new.
The most modern tri-cable
Yeah.
in the world.
RV. It's a RV campground. That's nice. This is a new station, I believe, in Grindelwald. We are starving right now. It's what time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. We're gonna head back to Interlaken. So that's it for now. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when the next video will be released. Thank you for watching. And see you on our next video. Grindelwald First, Lauterbrunnen, Wingen, Mannlichen, and Schildhorn. Thank you for watching.